मल्टीमिडिया ट्रान्सपोर्ट नव्या वर्साक वास्तवांत येतलो. एपार गिरायक, बस, टॅक्सी, रिक्षा आनी मोटरसायकल पायलटाक बूक करूं शकतात. जग उदरगतीची पावलां मारता आमी फाटीं रावूं शकना म्हूण मंत्री मोविन गुदिनो उलयलो. दाबोळे विमानतळ सुसज्ज आनी आधुनीक करपाक गोंय सरकार वावुरता. तशेंच कांय तेंपान विमानतळार मल्टी लेव्हल पार्किंग जातलें अशें मंत्री गुदिनोन सांगलें. 100 टॅक्सी इलेक्ट्रीक करपाचो गोवा मायल्साचो विचार आशिल्ल्याचेंय गुदिनोन सांगलें.
Entire team, all are working to make it even a more formidable airport. Shortly you'll have the multi-level parking going on stream. What you see confusion here near the entrance when passengers arrive, I've asked Honorable Chief Minister to give us more police force. Maybe we'll even have our own police station. They have developed separate parking even outside the airport, where in the very near future they are going to have charging stations where electrical cars are going to become a reality sooner or later. Even Goa Miles, which I have introduced the other day, they want to convert about 100 taxis with their permission into electrical cars. So we are going to be the first in doubling. And thereafter, the electrical footprint will increase as far as cars are concerned. You have EVs coming up everywhere. Multimodal transport also is going to become a reality come New Year. On the app, they will be able to book a bus, they will be able to book a taxi, they will be able to book a rickshaw, they will be able to book even a motorcycle pilot. These are the future that is supposed to come. We can't stay backward.